Hey, I just wanted you to know that you can access a bundle of courses that I put together on my website, Portrait Art Academy. The link is below the video. Ah, shameless self-promotion. What? I can promote my website, it's my channel. All you think about is money. That's not true. It's not true. This is about us. If we can make a little money, we can keep doing it. Otherwise, we may have to find a job. Oh, I don't like jobs. Neither do I. So can I please keep promoting this? Okay, fine. Go to portraitartsacademy.com. See, there, I helped you out. Excellent, Vincent from the Netherlands. There's some gray in here. See, some light gray, but very light. And it just kind of finds where these knuckles are. Yeah, it's like this is darker, and then so this makes it, yeah, that's tricky, man. See, even after all these years, you still just run into things. And you're like, whoa, wait a minute. This is dark. This is like that. There's a bit over that. There we go. Again, you don't mind me scraping my throat, do you? Like I said, you gotta have some fun. I'm not gonna edit every second out. That isn't about. See, this is something I'm not really happy about. This needs to be. See, this is wrong. It's just plain wrong. We're going to erase this. This finger needs to align with this finger, which is weird because, yeah, that almost doesn't add up over here. But it kind of does now. So this finger lines up with that finger, which obviously should be a little higher right here. Yeah, because this area is bigger. You see, it's just all a matter of looking. And it's okay to make mistakes, but as long as you can correct them. See, this one ends up over here. And then this finger is thicker. It ends up over here. Man, yeah, this was a little off. See that? And that's a lot better. This is hard to erase. See? You make mistakes, sometimes you just can't erase it. Here, 4H pencil. I'm gonna turn this thing into a shade. Then it doesn't look so bad. And it's almost like I did it on purpose. There you see. Now, doet hij dat nou?